Yo, haha, Magnificent.
Power Book 3, Raising Kanan. What is good, YouTube? Your boy Magnificent coming back with the observation video because I just saw the first episode of Power Book 3, Raising Kanan. I'll say this. After watching the first Power, and you can just disclose the whole second Power in my opinion, because that's just Tyreek growing up. You're looking at a viewpoint from Kanan's perspective at an early age, growing up, and you're kind of seeing how he developed to the character he was in at least the Power, the first Power, the original Power series. And I can say that they actually did a really good job with it. Now, I don't want to give too much. But there's certain characters that's in the adult character version of the Power series that are, you can see that it's like integrated, it's integrated into Raising Kanan. And by doing that, you kind of see certain connections, why certain people he did and did not trust in the Power series, the regular Power series. When I say he, I mean Kanan. But to be honest, without giving too much, I would say if you were a Power fan and you were a fan of Kanan, or even if you weren't a fan of Kanan, you were literally just trying to figure out why is he so just blunt. You know what I mean? Like the adult Kanan was literally blunt, ruthless, heartless, just didn't care about you know what. And seeing the first episode of Raising Kanan, you kind of understand why he became who he became. I mean, I'm going to try to do this without giving too much, but you definitely see it. You get a glimpse of Kanan, his mind, and you can already tell the certain characters he was attached to as a little kid. And my guess is that at some point he starts losing the people that he truly loved. And at that point, it's like, you know what? The world. And sometimes certain things and, certain situations kind of lead to that for certain people. That's why I don't question how people grow up. I don't question the way they act, because certain things we just don't know what they went through. But I kind of like it. I'm serious. Like, if you get a chance to really watch Power, if you watch the Power series from episode 1 to the end, up until where Kanan, well, I don't want to say that because I don't know if you watch Power, but up until, the whole ending of Kanan in the first book. The third book, you're going to appreciate it more. Trust me, it's definitely worth watching. But your boy Magnificent, comment below. Let me know what you thought of the first episode, the premiere of Raising Kanan, because it's got me intrigued. I think the characters that they have in play, at least around the kid version of Kanan, is actually really good, supportive, and it really does go into detail and explaining why he is what he is, man. It's just Kanan, We see him as 50 Cent. Some people may have liked this character during the Power series. Some people, maybe they didn't. I don't know. But personally, me, I was intrigued by his adult character, but I didn't understand his history as to why he was who he was actually in the Power series. So yeah, definitely looking forward to at least to the second episode to see how they kind of fall back from the first episode. It's definitely creative. Whoever writes that out, look, salute to you. But comment below. Let me know if you're going to even give this series a chance, if you think it's going to take off, if you think that this series will actually be better than Power Book 2. I don't know. You know what? We'll see. But your boy Magnificent, I am out. Power Book 3, Raising Kanan. Hopefully, you guys get a chance to see it. And actually, you should be able to, because most of the cable providers are actually giving you the first episode for free. I am out. You guys, stay blessed.